One of the many joys of owning a pet is that they shed fur, and they shed it everywhere, especially my cutie Blackie here. He's got the black, nice long black hair, comes out all over the floor, the rugs, the furniture, and it's pretty easy to vacuum up off hard surfaces such as a hardwood floor. But on rugs, sometimes the fur gets stuck down in fibers, so you can use a tip I showed earlier, which is using a rubber squeegee to rake it up, rake the fur out of the carpet. But the squeegee doesn't work so well on furniture, on upholstered furniture, but a similar technique works really well with rubber gloves. Get a pair of tight-fitting, these are just disposable rubber gloves. You can buy them pretty much anywhere these days. And we're going to use it to basically just wipe the fur right off the couch. Because the rubber gloves are pretty sticky and they create friction, if you just rub, especially down in between the cushions, just rake in one direction, you can see after just a few seconds, all the fur just comes right out. There you go, look at that. And this is kind of fur, if you vacuumed it, you wouldn't get, you get maybe half of it because it sticks to the upholstery. There you go, whole ball of fur. And then once you get it there, you can just pull it off, toss it right in the trash.